watched as I grow, knowing one day you would watch as I go. You've heard it all on my end. You've patiently loved all that I've been, and you've waited for me to know all of the things that you just couldn't show. Long nights in the car when I hated the dark, you held me till the sound of the first morning lark. And when everything fades, I still have your face through the best and the worst of the days. Yeah, when everything fades, I still have your face through the best and the worst of the days. And when you're old one day, slow in your step, withered and gray, you'll have a home where I've slept. Laughter was shared, secrets were kept, where you waited, watched as I grow, watched as I learned all the things I now know. Those long nights in the car when I hated the dark. Now I'll hold you till the sound of the last morning